Okay guys, let me start off by saying good morning. This is a difficult song. The strumming is very difficult. The chord progression itself is very easy. To play and sing it is fairly easy, so I wanted to show it to you. I don't know if we're going to get it done in under 3 minutes. It's DISARM by Smashing Pumpkins. I'm going to start in the E minor. Whoops, I got to start over. Okay, so E minor to the C, up to the G, then we're going to do this, starts over, you with a smile. Now I always make sure my ring finger stays on the B string, so it just a little like this. Now when we get to the chorus, when he's not singing, you stay on the C. I used to be a little boy. Send this smile over to you. Killer in me is a killer in you. So the chorus just switches from the C to the E minor to the D, and that's literally how easy it is to play this song. Keep practice. Or you can do it like this. Now, if you want to use all the major chords, do the E minor to the real C to the G to the D back to the E minor. I always find it easier to leave your ring finger on the B, do the E minor to the C, to the G, then do it this way. And with the chorus, it starts in the D. The killer in me is a killer in you. My love, send this smile over to you. Anyway, so the chorus, it goes from the C to the E minor back to the D, and there you have it again. One song, less than 3 minutes, and it's a classic. If you're all like me and grew up in the 90s, it's DISARM by Smashing Pumpkins, big hit. And all you gotta do is put the record on, put it on YouTube, put whatever on, and just practice along. Until next time, my friends, like, subscribe, share it, and leave a comment. Thank you very much. Peace out, y'all.